Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to create minutes of meeting with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so I have to enter the basic details. So I have already entered the basic details of the meeting in Word file, as you can see here. Okay, so I have entered details of member present in meeting, then place, then time, then topic discussed in the meeting. Okay, fine. And I have also mentioned next meeting date here. Okay, so as you can read here properly. So now I'm just going to copy this data and paste into ChatGPT, and it will generate minutes of meeting, as you can see here. Okay. So whatever information I have entered here, it's in a very good formatted form. Okay. Now, if I want to add some points, then I can also add more points here. Okay. So as you can see, additional points. Fine. All right. So as you can see, whatever information I have entered, it gives in a proper way here. Like sales performance, focus on digital marketing, sales target, logistic cost reduction, team collaboration, and next meeting information also. And this one is action items. Okay. And prepared by Mr. PQR. Now you can copy and paste these minutes of meeting wherever you require. Okay. So in this way, we can create minutes of meeting with the help of ChatGPT. Thank you.